Want to change your Oredoo Wi-Fi password, check who's connected, or boost your security? It all starts by logging into your Oredoo router. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to access its settings in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Find your router's IP address and login password. Flip your Oredoo router and find default login setting printed on the sticker backside or bottom side. Write down default settings and follow next steps. Step 2. Connect to your router. First, ensure your computer or phone is connected to your Oredoo router's network. You can do this via Wi-Fi or using Ethernet cable plugged directly into the router LAN port. Step 3. Access the login page. Open any web browser, type the IP address 192.168.0.1 into the address bar and press enter. You should now see the Oredoo router login page. Use your router default login username and password printed on the sticker and press login button. Once you logged in, you will get router settings. Now navigate to wireless settings from left side menu. Go to 2.4 GHz wireless settings and change Wi-Fi SSID and password and press save button to apply settings. After 2.4 GHz settings, now go to 5 GHz settings and change 5 GHz SSID and password and press save button. After changing Wi-Fi settings, connect your all Wi-Fi device with new SSID and password. Change login password. Now navigate to management option from left side menu. Change default login password and create new password, then confirm new password and save button to apply settings. That's it. You now have full control over your Oredoo router settings. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching.